Hello my wasabis, this is Jirbie from Couchwasabi. So for today's video, I will be sharing with you what's inside the Young Living Philippines PSK or the Philippine Premium Starter Kit. So if this is something that you'd want to see, please keep watching. Alright, so here's what's inside the Philippine Young Living PSK. It comes in a taller box package as compared to your US PSK. You can see your receipts, the PSK itself or the oil kit, and then it comes with this product guide. It's updated 2019 Philippines. You can notice that it's a lot thinner, or the choices are a lot fewer versus what you can find in the US PSK. And of course, the diffuser, which only comes in dewdrop. Also, if you order your Young Living PSK through the link that I've put down in the description box, you will be getting this book worth 1,500 for free. This is about $30 on Amazon, so that's about 1,500 pesos, and you can get it for free if you order your PSK through the link I've put down below in the description box. So first, let's check out the dewdrop diffuser that's inside your Young Living's Philippine PSK. The good thing about this is that although we don't have any choice, like versus from the US PSK, you can choose either Desert Mist diffuser or this dewdrop diffuser. For the Philippines, we only have dewdrop as part of our PSK, but you can buy your Desert Mist and other diffusers separately. However, the good thing with this diffuser is that you get the new dewdrop diffuser, which has 2 buttons, versus what I have. This is the old dewdrop diffuser, or the version 1. So let me just give you a quick sneak peek. Of how the new dewdrop diffuser looks like versus the old one. So the old one has 1 button which controls everything. The new one has the same functions and controls as your Desert Mist diffuser. So it has mood lights in it. It has all those other upgraded functions similar to your Desert Mist diffuser. But the capacity is the same. It has the same 100 ml tank. It has the same 4-hour running time. So it's just upgraded as regards to the mood light setting. And yeah, that's it. Alright, so let's get on with the oil set. So when you open it up, it's basically the same as your Young Living US PSK. It's just that you can notice that the Philippine PSK don't have any of that Vitality oil, simply because I don't think Vitality is actually approved here in our local FDA. So everything that you see is in their original packaging, or the predominantly bold colored packaging. So what I mean by Vitality is like this, it's predominantly white, but whatever that's in here is just the same as whatever that's in this bottle. Okay? So the same oils are there, except that we don't have the 12 oil set. So we retain the 11 oil set, which has copaiba, digest, frankincense, lavender lemon, panaway peppermint, citrus fresh, raven, and thieves. These are your original 11 oils in the original US PSK until they've changed theirs to the 12 oil set. And at the bottom, you can see your stress away bottle. In the Young Living Philippine PSK, we have the old dram bottles in it, and then the business card, and our 2 packets of Ningxia. So the Philippine PSK wouldn't have the Thieves sachet and the Thieves hand sanitizer, but we retained the very old or version 1 Ningxia packet and your dram bottles. Anyway guys, I guess that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this on your Facebook wall, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!